Good evening, Deepak sir. Today I'm discussing about able including paint. Now we adding paint to our execution process. Okay, yeah, here. Now, firstly, firstly we have initialize a program, which means suppose suppose it is a program. Okay, okay, wait. So this program looks like that. Okay, this is the program. Now, second we consider as a executive level code, which means we execute again this execution top level code. This okay. Now is a okay. So now okay. We consider it as a okay. Now it is a initial. I realize that initializing initializing the program. Now second one, this is execution top level code. Yep, execute top level code. Now third one is require modules. Require modules. Now fourth one is register event callbacks. Now this is last word is event loop. Event loop. Okay. Now one more thing. Firstly, we go to this. When the node.js application starts, it starts with callback queues, which means when we when we initialize a program. Okay. When we initialize the program. Okay. When we initialize this program. Instruments. When we initialize this program. So firstly, code execute by which different type of callback will be executed. Just like that, if we any type of node application starts with different, it starts with callback queues, which means different type of callbacks is like a, if we start any program, it's like a Spotify, it's like a Instagram, Facebook. If we entered value password and our email to the authentication is just like a phone number. If we entered a wrong value, then callback functions calls and the callback function execute and callback function instrument callback function shows error and goes to our data and then goes to our next callback data. We executing top level code, which means expired timer callbacks. It's like we initially set timeout and this type of function we use in our VS Code extension. Just like we go to our new file eve.js. We go to our set timeout. Okay, timeout which means we goes to a 0 second. 0 second. They set timeout. In the expired expired. Now we copy this code and we here here. Now we explain firstly this. This is a timeout function in which we entered. This is a set timeout, and we entered a different type of values, and we entered set timeout. This is a set type of function we having callback values, and which we have a timer is expired. Then this is zero. This zero is a timer which we after this time after this time sorry code will be executed, which means if we go to our site timeout, this timer is expired. So we go to our console. Now firstly clear this code. Now node ev.js. Timer is expired. Timer is expired, which means this timer is expired after 1 second, which means it's expired in 3 seconds. If we are changing our timer here, here, Control S. Now we again execute this program. Timer is expired. Firstly, this is run. Then timer expired in 3 seconds. Then second is run. So this is the timeout function which we initialize and which we use in our different type of code execution time. Now set immediate function. Interval is not important right now. Set immediate function, which is similar, looks like a now we go to a log value. Function executed. Function executed. Immediate. Control S. Now also we have a value how to execute this and how much time we execute this program. If we go to our console, we will checking our this program value. Function execute the immediate, which means sorry, which means immediate function having the priority queue, just like that we are entered here. Now we go to don't save, we execute the program function queue, just like that we use different type of this priority queue. This is a priority queue in event loop. Firstly, this is immediate function, which is intermediate between intermediate between timeout, and third one is process.nick. What is this? So firstly go to our nodejs event loop. Next play nodejs. Firstly we are going to here when nodejs start this line event loop. Process the provide input script or drops into wrapper which is not covered in document, which may be an async API call, schedule timers or process the next tick, which means firstly timers, then pending callbacks, then idle and prepare, then poll, then check and close or callbacks, and incoming data connection and etc. Which means if we enter if we explaining this method, we go to our here. Firstly, after timer function we have an input or output only when callbacks, which are similar to this similar to this incoming connection data. If data goes to polling or to idle or pending callbacks method, so we are going to set immediate callbacks. Just like I said, immediate callbacks, which means if we go to our immediate, we're checking here. This is the layer that which we checking our and setting new callbacks and checking new callbacks. After that, we have a last function is which is called close on callbacks, which means excuse me. Here, this is a on callbacks. After that, we have another program which is entered here, which is a close the program or last one which we have a use in this method, which have we have a process the next tick. What is this? Yeah, process the next tick queue. This. So, firstly, we go to our VS Code extension. We using this set immediate function setting this. We have a just like that. We have this process the next tick. So, firstly, if we changing its immediate value is like that, control then we are changing the immediate value 0 to 2 seconds. I entered. We go to our terminal. Now execute this program. See, function execution will be an immediate value, which means you no matter if you use enter 2000 second time and 2 second timer and 3 second timer, no matter. If we use set immediate function, which means it immediate the program at anywhere and any question executes it very fast. Now, firstly, VFFS dot okay fs dot fed file. No, we have not entered this type of execution process. Now, now for this we execution ert.txt file. We enter ert.txt. Now we entered a callback function which we create here. We're creating our callback function here. Now this program is not working without exporting file system module. So we're importing const fs. Now const fs equals to require fs. Now we entered in control center. We importing file system module. Now If we entered an increasing, if we create a timeout function here, timeout function, creating set timeout function here. Now console.log, we are creating timer is in file system. Now we check which file is writing. Now we entered and entered. After that we execute. Now we entered. This is basic console value. Value we have entered receive. Now we execute this program. Firstly we go to CLS. Now we comment out 3 seconds, 5 seconds. 3 seconds we comment out one immediate function. Now controllers. Now we execute this program. This is a basic console value, which means our value which is used outside the event loop, outside the program, which is the main value. If we execute first, it is the priority go. And also the execute the value very fast and at the priority of first. This is first came first or just like that. We execute the program, the value, the console value which we have, which we entered outside the loop and outside the product, outside the functions and value and loops. We execute the nodejs interpreter, nodejs executor execute this file very fast. Now this is firstly with which function is execute this line. This is a basic console value, which means this is a basic console value. This is executed. Okay. Now this timer is expired. Which timer is expired? Okay. This timer is expired. Okay. Now function executed time immediate. Now function executed immediate. Okay. Now timer is in file system. Okay. After that, the timer in file system is executed. Now timer expired in 3 seconds, which means the 3 second value is being executed at last. Okay. Now if we control, okay, control X entered here. Okay. And we entered immediate into this function. Okay. Now we executing this program, checking which value is executed first. Now the basic console value is executed and basic this is basic console value is executed. Now timer is expired, which means with timer there. This is a timer which will be executed. Okay, timer is executed. After that, function executed immediate. Function executed, which function is executed? This immediate function, which is okay. So forget about this firstly. We forget about this. The controllers. Now in the event loop, we check your priority. This is a basic console value which we have entered outside the loop. After that, we function execute immediate, which means immediate function is executed first. Now then file system function, then file system which you have 3 second time. Okay. Now we create a new file function. We process the next control. Okay. This is file process dot next tick controllers. Now we executing this program. Firstly, we creating. Okay. Oh, firstly, we create execute the value. After that, okay. Okay. After that, we execute. Yeah, exit from this terminal. We getting the terminal. Now executing. This is a value we executed from outside. Now this is the best process, which means process dot next tick is the priority queue at first position, at which this is the process dot next tick. Nick. It's okay. This is the process dot next tick. After that, immediate function priority. After that, timeout function priority. So, firstly, this is the basics of file system. Sorry, this is basics of event loop. Now, if we okay, control V, if we process the next ticket outside the event loop, then what we get now, if we hit enter, okay, after that, if we if we execute, so something went wrong. What is wrong with them? Okay, control select. Okay, I use it here. Now control X. Now control V, control Z. What is wrong with it? What is wrong with it? Oh, okay, this is the right answer. Now we entered set timer function outside the loop. Now we're checking what we can get. Now console window. Firstly, we clear the screen. Now we execute the program. Now we see if we ever process dot next tick function outside the loop, it will be executed. After that, if timeout function is outside the event loop, then process dot next tick having not executed before time set timer function executed. After timer function executed outside the event loop, then process dot next tick will be executed. Now if we enter the immediate function outside the event loop, how do we check which we get? Control S. No, we're getting a no terminal. So, okay. Okay. if we if immediate function is also executed outside the event loop, outside the function after the file of function, then immediate immediate function also executed before the process dot next tick which are in event loop. So these are the normals of event loop in JS. Now if we go to our from browser,